Hey YouTube, today we're going to do a quick review of the Ryobi 1 gallon electric spreader. I got it this morning, so let's unbox it and see what it's all about. All right, let's see what we have inside. Looks like we have just some advertising for some of the other products that they have. A little QR code to leave a review, operator's manual. That's about it. This is what the unit looks like. So pretty simple, nothing really to assemble. They said it has great balance, which it does. They say right behind the trigger, you can hold your finger there and it just balances itself. Nice. That's where the battery goes in the back. We have the adjustment here for the amount of material that you want to spread. For me, I bought this spreader because I want to use it for salt. They said that you can use it for grass seeds, fertilizer, all different types of things. So depending on the setting, you can make the opening here at the bottom of the hopper here small as you want. So if you're just doing like grass seeds, you can make it small. Or if you're doing like big granules like salt, like I am, you can open it all the way up and use it to spread salt. Okay, let's go over some of the features real quick. You have your trigger here. You have your dial here for the amount of material you want to come out of the spreader. If you can see the little drawer, the opening down at the bottom there, when you squeeze it, like right now it's on 0. So when you squeeze the trigger, it doesn't even open up at the bottom. So when you go to 1, it opens up a little. 2, opens up a little bit more. 3, 4, and 5, all the way open. It has a little agitator down there at the bottom that spins around and agitates the material that you put in there. We have the spreader wheel at the front here, and you have the edge guard here. So depending on how wide you want your broadcast to be, you can open and close that depending on where you are. If you have like a small little thin patch of grass or whatever that you're putting down fertilizer for, you can close it to make it a small broadcast thing, or you can open it wider and it'll be a wider area. I brought a battery in from the garage, so we can put it in and see. Takes the 18-volt battery that's used for all the tools. You can see the agitator spinning down there. And the spreader. Seems pretty simple, straightforward. Let's go out and test it with the salt. All right, let's fill it up and let's see what it does. Shake it. All right, number 5, wide open. As for my thoughts on the spreader, I think it works great. What I was doing before, I was basically using my hand and gloves, reaching into the bag of salt and just throwing it up and down the sidewalk in the driveway. So using the spreader is a lot better than doing that. The quality of the unit is great. Like I said, it uses the 18-volt batteries that you use with your other tools. So quick connect and you're on your way. The battery life is something that I have to try out and see how long it lasts. I think I have a pretty nice sized driveway, so I'll give it a try next time I have snow and see how long it lasts. I'll do an update video on how the performance of it is going. If you're in the market for one, I definitely recommend you get one. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hit like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.